For our foundations project, we decided to test different paper airplane designs to see which design would travel the farthest distance. We chose a paper ball to be our control in this experiment. The first plane design we chose to test was the albatross. The second design was the Bulldog Dart. And the third design was the basic plane that everyone makes as a kid. Our hypothesis was that the Bulldog Dart design would travel the furthest distance.
Methods. To test this, we had each group member throw each of the plane designs from the same designated spot and arm angle. We did this because not all people have the same throwing motion and power. We decided to do our testing indoors so that wind speed and direction would not skew our results. We filmed each person throwing from the same two perspectives so we could easily compare our results. We each threw the same planes to keep any errors in folding from skewing our results. We started off with Alex. Here you see her throwing the ball first. And then the albatross stays in the air for much longer. It actually changes directions and ends up landing short of the ball. The Bulldog Dart lands past the ball, and the basic plane travels a shorter distance than all of the other designs. Next, we had Amber throw the planes. The ball landed about the same distance as it did when Alex threw. The albatross again changes direction and lands short of the ball. Once again, the Bulldog Dart lands past the ball. The only difference in Amber's results was that the basic plane went further than the albatross. Lastly, Jared threw the planes. The ball went further than it did when Alex and Amber threw. The albatross changed direction again and actually landed behind where it was thrown. For the third time, the Bulldog Dart landed past the ball. The basic plane landed in between the albatross and the ball, like it did when Amber threw. Looking back at our results, we can confirm our original hypothesis because the Bulldog Dart traveled the farthest for each trial. The ball traveled the second farthest distance in each trial. The Albatross was the most unpredictable airplane design. The Albatross had the longest hang time among the planes. In conclusion, the Bulldog Dart is the most efficient airplane design among the different airplane designs we tested.